Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude has moved in the last month and how the price of crude can move in the next month. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what you can see that the crude price is currently moving at around 107.33. Okay, and what we can see that this is, see, if we look at the chart from 2010, we have seen a high. It has made of around 115.88. okay, and after this particular high we have seen that this range has break downside and made a low of around 26. okay, and after in 2020 we have seen that it has moved upside. Okay, made a high of around 129, that is around 129.76. so what we can see looking at the chart for the next month. See, before that, if you have any doubt regarding crude or any other position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how the technical in crude and any other commodities are working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Now look at the chart. If you look at the chart clearly, you can see that the crude is currently moving at around 107.22. suppose if the price sustain above this level, what we can see, it can touch a level of 109.66, and if this level is already being tested here, so chances will be high. We can see it can move further upside towards a level of 110.90. suppose and this level is also being tested here, so probability will be high. We can see a level of 114.02. okay, and suppose what we can see, suppose if this particular level sustain 114, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 117.14, and if it goes above this level, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 120.88. suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 127.74. okay, and if it goes above this level, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 135.22. okay, now again I repeat, see, if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 110.90. if it goes above this level, then we can see a level of 112.78. suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 114.65. okay, and if it goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 119.63, and suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level 128.36. and if it goes above a level of 128, then we can see it can make further upside and can touch a level of 130. then we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of 140 also. But suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, then we can see it can fall further and can touch a level of 103.86, and if it falls below this level, then we can see yes, probability of going towards 91.79 is high, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 85.71. okay, and 85.71, keep this in mind, is a strong support. If this price breaks downside, then we can see second support coming at around 77, okay, which is 76.82, and if this falls below this particular range, then we can see a level of 66.82. okay, again I repeat, if the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can fall further towards level 103.38, and from there we can see a level of 98.07. suppose if the price fall below this particular level, then we can see a level of 91.79, and suppose if the price goes below this particular level, then we can see it can fall further towards a level of 87.44. okay, and if it fall below this particular level, then we can see a level of 85. 85 is a strong support, and the 85 didn't sustain, then we can see a level of 76.82, and suppose if the price didn't sustain 76.82 also, then we can see it can fall further towards a level of 67.65. we can see it can touch a level of 62.82 also. okay, and if the price fall below 62, then we can see it can fall further towards a level of 58. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Now understand one thing, if you are trading, you have to understand that it is a process there. okay, and most of the people may lose money in trading. So what you have to understand, you have to follow a process which I teach in my workshop also, and I'm telling you also, that suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of your capital per trade. So suppose if you take 5 trades, and your risk should be 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. okay, so suppose you make if you trade 5 times and suppose you lose 5 times, all 5, then you know your risk is $500. okay, if you know your risk is $500, so if you lose even 5 times today, you know that you can trade properly the next day. You will not be in a mind to recover your amount in the next day. okay, and then you can focus more on profit. So if you want to attend my workshop, where I teach you regarding how you can increase your profit, minimize your risk. You can mail me regarding this. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.